The Cyberabad police in Telangana is writing to the Election Commission and to the UIDAI regarding a case of alleged data threat pertaining to personal information regarding voters in Andhra Pradesh. Now, Telangana police have registered a case against a Hyderabad-based IT firm for allegedly stealing data of voters through a mobile application, which was used by the TDP in Andhra Pradesh. The IT firm has been accused of stealing data to advance TDP's electoral prospects. Based on the complaint from a data analyst, a case has been registered against the firm on Saturday.
A war of words has broken out between the ruling party leaders of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh on social media as well as outside it, each of them alleging that the other has stolen sensitive data relating to voters in Andhra Pradesh. This started with a complaint by one Lokeshwar Reddy, who said that a Hyderabad-based company, IT Grids Limited, had stolen the data of about 3.5 crore voters in Andhra Pradesh, and that exhaustive information was taken about them from several government data, and that they were also using this to find out the political affiliation of the voters. He alleged that that information was being used in order to delete the names of those voters who are not supporters of the Telugu Desam from the voter list itself. Subsequently, photographs of Nara Lokesh, who is the IT Minister of Andhra Pradesh, as well as Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, with the Chief Ashok of IT Grids, was being circulated to suggest that there is a political link and that he was working on their behalf and stealing data on their behalf. The AP government on its part said that Telangana government is in fact stealing data using its police, saying that this IT Grids company was actually being employed by the Telugu Desam to develop a party cadre app called Seva Mitra, and that Seva Mitra had the information of about 75 lakh of their party cadre, and that the TS government had used and stolen that data in order to help the YSR Congress. KT Ramarao, who is the working president of the TRS, saying that they had not stolen any data. The hashtag TS government steals data certainly irked him, and he said that because the complaint was lodged in Hyderabad and the company happens to be here, therefore the Telangana police was probing into this particular incident. They also in fact filed an FIR, and they have said that they have seized a lot of data, including electronic documents as well, and said that they have sent that for forensic examination. The AP government on its part saying that the TRS is working on behalf of the YSR Congress with the blessings of the BJP and trying to help them, and that's why they have stolen data. And we are told that the Chief Minister in fact is consulting with both the Advocate General and the Police Chief in order to initiate legal action against Telangana government and the police here.